Hello folks, welcome you to the Tools Hub. Today, we're diving into a world where tools and inventions push the limits of human creativity. Get ready to be inspired, let's jump right in. Here's the thing. This high-tech tool solves most problems quickly. With adjustable power and versatile swivel heads, it deserves a spot in every toolbox. Checking the undercarriage of your car is no longer a hassle. This solution makes everything easy and professional. With just one device, you can do a variety of different jobs. Drilling, grinding, polishing. Surely you can't ask for more from a perfect tool like this, right? Smart clamps, small but powerful tool. Once you try them, you will want a few in your toolbox immediately. It's amazing how an ordinary piece of metal can be transformed into a stylish hanger. All it takes is the right tools and a little ingenuity. Carving wooden spoons by hand used to be a laborious task that took hours. Now, everything is automated, resulting in superior efficiency. A wonderful combination of ancient... Everything you need for your work is now packed into one machine. Its speed, efficiency, and maneuverability make it truly exceptional. Still cutting bamboo by hand? Try this tool. You will be surprised at the convenience it brings. Doing this manually? That would take up a lot of your time. Let this awesome tool do it for you. With a little pull, you have a new reach. No more slipping or back pain. The chair can now rest. This versatile faucet makes everything in the bathroom so much easier. Smart, useful, and definitely a worthy upgrade.
Em đi làm về rồi hả? Có mệt lắm không ạ? Anh ngủ rồi đi nhá. Em nấu cơm.
When skill and passion combine, working with wood becomes gentle and artistic. He knows exactly how valuable his tool is. It helps him every day, making things smoother and faster. And now you see why. Cows have the right to beauty too. She's getting a professional pedicure, looking like she's in a high-end salon. This machine brings you everything you need: speed, accuracy, automation, and real efficiency. Not only does the robot help with heavy work, it also helps elevate your dining experience. There are few things as captivating as watching a skilled craftsman at work. It's like a silent performance that holds your full attention. There is something incredibly satisfying about watching machinery operate with such precision. Laser welding is clean, quiet, and powerful. This flashlight is so bright that it makes the darkness retreat. Truly a No more climbing. This smart solution helps you work at height safely and efficiently. This press works like magic, packing goods with speed and absolute precision. Click like if you also like the neatness this machine is creating. Resurfacing this surface is easy, especially when you know how to do it right. With years of experience, Bosch continues to bring modern tools that professionals truly love to use. A personal kit is nice, but adding a light is perfect. Painting into tight corners with a roller is usually a real pain, but not anymore. This laser measuring tool fits in your pocket. Whether you're a professional or just doing odd jobs around the house, it's always ready. What does the ideal worker look like? Quiet, focused, and precise. This is precision in action. Need a quick cleanup? Give this machine a few minutes and your floors will be sparkling clean. This scallion chopper is so fast you'll forget why you bought the onions in the first place. Just slide it in and the machine does the rest. With rare precision and sophistication, this laser tool transforms glass into perfect shapes. For everyday chores around the house, this foldable ladder with magnetic tray is just what you need. Sturdy, having trouble getting around? Technology is here to help. The goal is to make life easier for everyone. Carrying heavy things up the stairs? Not a problem anymore. This tool takes the strain off your back and does the heavy lifting. Make life easier for everyone. This compact tool helps you clean your roller without making a mess. Save time, save paint. Even the largest logs are handled with ease by this machine. In no time, believe it or not, moving a toilet requires the right equipment, and it's worth it. Got a dent in your car? Don't worry. This clever tool gently pulls out the dent, leaving the surface looking like new. Even the toughest jobs are no match for this device. I definitely need one in my toolbox. Want a jacuzzi feel without breaking the bank? This clever device brings aeration and relaxation right to your regular bathtub. I believe even the summer heat will have to run away when seeing the smooth movements of this ice cream maker. A multi-purpose cleaning device. Mops and vacuums in one smooth motion. Effortless, no dust left behind. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.